Video. Today is all about boosting collagen production in the skin. Now, collagen is what keeps the skin firm, tight, and lifted. But as we age, all of that tend to slow down. And what starts to happen is that you start to see wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. And if you leave it untreated, guess what's going to happen? You're going to start to see sagging skin, sagging jawline, deep parentheses, deep forehead wrinkles. However, guys, there are ways that you could prevent this. You can actually try to slow that process down by boosting the collagen production in the skin. You can start eat a healthy diet with collagen boosting supplement, or you can also use collagen products topically on the skin. So what I'm going to do for you today, I am going to share a facial moisturizer. It's an overnight facial moisturizer that is rich in collagen boosting properties. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. This moisturizer will help to reduce the wrinkles and fine lines, boost the collagen, and give your skin an amazing natural glow. Because it is also rich in vitamin C, it helps to clear the pigmentation on the skin. So what are you waiting for? Follow me to my kitchen. I'm going to share a full detailed recipe, and I'm also going to share some tips on how to get the best result from using this on the skin. Our first ingredient for boosting collagen is aloe vera gel. And aloe vera gel is great for the skin topically. It is rich in vitamin C, antioxidant that help to clear pigmentation on the skin, brighten the skin, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and most of all, boost the collagen production in the skin. I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of the aloe vera gel. We're pouring this in. For this mixture, you can choose to double up on the ingredient if you'd like to make more. This is a small batch that is good for about 1 week. So we have our aloe vera gel, and before we mix this in, we're going to reach for some preservative, which is vegetable glycerine. The vegetable glycerine is optional, and we're using about a half a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerine. And now we're going to mix the aloe vera gel and the vegetable glycerine together, and we're mixing well. These two are water-based, and that's why we choose to mix the 2 water-based together. Now, once this is done, and if you know, vegetable glycerine helps to hydrate the skin, and it's also been used as a preservative in this recipe. Now, once this is done, we're going to add 2 oils that is good for boosting collagen production in the skin. Our first oil is rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is rich in vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. It's an amazing oil to boost collagen production topically. You apply it on the skin by massaging it on the skin daily. Good to use directly on the skin or mixed with other ingredients. Now, my next oil is squalene oil. And the body actually produces its own squalane. But what happened, just like collagen, it slows down as we age. So in order to boost the squalane, you need to add it back. And this is how we get this squalane. So we're going to be using our squalane. And we're using about a half a teaspoon of the squalane. This is a dropper. Half a teaspoon of the squalane oil. Next, we're going to go back for the rosehip oil, and I'm going to use a little bit more of the rosehip oil. So I'm using 1 teaspoon of our rosehip oil, pouring this in. So here we have 2 amazing anti-aging collagen boosting facial oil. Now we're going to add some vitamin C to this. So let me put this aside a little and take a look at this. Here I have some vitamin C powder, and I'm going to put the link below where you could get this. And we're using just a dash of the vitamin C powder. Now for our vitamin C powder, I'm going to add a teaspoon of some distilled water, and we're going to totally dissolve the vitamin C powder in the distilled water. Mix and mix well. dissolving that vitamin C. Now once this is done, we're going to be adding this to our mixture, and we're going to pour this in 1 teaspoon of the dissolved vitamin C. And now we are going to mix. You can actually choose to blend this, or you can use a whisk, or you can just mix thoroughly. You're going to make sure that the oils are totally dissolved in the mixture. So mix well. And take a look at that. Here we have it. Now let's reach for our storage jar. And now let's pour this in. Now take a look, here it is, your homemade anti-aging collagen boosting moisturizer that is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. This you're going to apply on the skin, 2 to 3 drops on the skin. And take a look at this, guys. You're going to just massage this on the skin, and this is just going to melt in your skin like that. I prefer for you to apply this on your skin at night, so apply 2 to 3 drops on your skin at night and wake up with gorgeous looking skin. Wake up with tight, firm, clear, bright, younger looking skin. If you're trying to get your skin to look years younger, up to 10 years younger, guys, go ahead and use this. The best way to use this, however, is to make sure to cleanse your skin, exfoliate your skin on a regular, and you will get the best result when you use this on the skin. No need to store this in the refrigerator. Store it on your countertop, and this is going to last you about a week. When it is done, go ahead and make a new batch. So there you have it, a quick and easy collagen boosting remedy. Apply it on your skin at night, 2 to 3 drops, rub it on, massage it in the skin. And if you have a facial massager, go ahead and massage your face. If not, use your hands and just massage it on your skin. Lift, tighten, firm while clearing pigmentation. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave your comments. Those are always important. So comment, and guess what, guys? Don't forget to share the video and share it on your social media page so others might see this amazing remedy. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video.